I'm really trying hard to keep myself together because I've been trying to film this video for the longest fucking time ever. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be filming a prom makeup look. I already have my eyebrows done. Oh my fucking god, this fucking door. We are going to be using the Morphe palettes. Cause bitch, I love Morphe. We're going to be using the Morphe 35OM. These are just matte shadows. This is what it looks like. And then we're going to be using the 35OS, the shimmer ones. So yeah, I'm just like trying to kind of be ahead a little bit and show you what I'm going to be using, because I tend to forget to list the stuff I use. So I'm gonna just do that right now. We're gonna start off by using the 35OM palette, and we're going to be using this one for the transition color. I have to go to work after this, so I'm gonna have to like take my makeup off, but I'm just gonna leave my eyebrows on because that bitch not trying to look ugly for work. Alright, so now that I have that on, I'm going to take Anastasia brush, whatever, and then I'm gonna go in with this one, and then after we go in with this one, we're gonna be going in with this one right here, this brown one. We're gonna go in with that darker orange just to have more definition. I guess that's a word, I don't know. Okay, there you go. This is just a video to put up, to be honest. I'm kind of being lazy or whatever, but you gotta bear with me, bitch, because it's hard being a YouTuber. You know what? Scratch me redoing my prom makeup. Part of the video, I realized that I didn't want to do a prom makeup look just because I wanted better lighting and better angles and better everything, because I'm that bitch. But yeah, my prom makeup is too good for this kind of lighting and this kind of angle, so I'm gonna wait till my ring light comes in. I'm just going to do a natural makeup look. Okay, anyways, I don't know what the fuck I did. Then we are going to go in with this let's see where it's at, with this shadow shader here. The fuck. So hard to. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Jesus. Jesus, 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 Jesus Christ. So I fucking realized I didn't press record after, like, I think the last thing I was showing was the colors, so I don't even know what fucking palette. And I stopped recording because I wanted to, like, get the camera to focus, and then I started doing my makeup again, and I fucking pressed record. I mean, I didn't fucking press record, so let me just kill myself right now because, oh my, this was already, and this is our, can't even talk. This is and already was a fucking shitty tutorial. So what now? What am I supposed to say now? So just for, I don't even know where I left out, but I just put foundation on for now. That's all I have. I think that's all pretty much I did. Foundation and yeah, and I'm using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 310, just in case y'all wanted to know. I just did that for a thumbnail. I gotta get people to watch my videos, you know? I need that money. I kind of like how it looks though, but I still don't. So now I don't know why the fuck I closed my mirror. We're gonna go in with a little bit of concealer because the bitch not trying to look dead either. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I love Maybelline. In the shade 10. I'm supposed to be in the shade, I think it's 7 in sand, but a bitch needed a concealer, so I bought the wrong one. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Do I look bad? No. Cute, whatever. Okay, so then now we're going to go in with right here. So now we're gonna go in with a bronzer. I'm not gonna contour because I don't really contour. I bronze more. I don't know. I actually don't know. Like, I do know the difference between contouring and bronzing, but I always just seem to bronze because I feel like bronzing and contouring are the same thing. I don't know. Let me know if you know, because I love makeup and stuff, but I don't really follow the rules, to be honest. I'm not like every other makeup guru. I just follow, and I have my own rules to my own makeup, you know. Cute, whatever. Okay, so then after I'm gonna go with my highlighter. That's if my sister didn't fucking take it. I feel like she took it. And if she took it, I'm gonna be mad. Oh no, she didn't take it. She's lucky. So then where's my fan brush? Found bitch, found you. So I'm using my this was my the J-Cat highlighter, baked highlighter in Twilight. I broke it, and then me, I'm smart. I fixed it with alcohol, and I just pressed on it, you know, whatever. There you go. And it still works perfectly fine. I'm gonna go in with this highlight. Gotta blind them bitches so they won't see your fucking flaws. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, do y'all? Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bitch, don't fuck with me. In person is way better, but on camera don't look as good as. I'm not even gonna call this a fucking prom makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna call it the shittiest makeup tutorial ever. Because why? My life is shitty. Do I care? Yes. But do I really? No. So now, since I'm almost done, and I'm almost done talking because I'm pretty sure y'all tired of me talking, I'm gonna go in with, where the fuck is my, there it goes. I'll be back. Then we're gonna curl those bitches to make it look like I got fake eyelashes or whatever. Can y'all tell I have mascara on? No. But do I have any on? Yes. Alright, so I literally did this like in less than 15 minutes. Wow. I usually take when I do my makeup, I usually take like a good hour or two. But bitch, like I said, this is a shitty makeup tutorial, so we gonna bear with what I have and what I did and with what I did. Anyways, thank you for watching my shitty ass makeup tutorial. Oh, let me show you how it looks like. It looks like this. It's shitty as fuck. Look, it's not even blended in correctly. The fuck? But yeah, my eyebrows ain't looking cute either. I don't know. I don't like how they look today. But yeah, thank you for watching. I kind of do look and feel cute, so leave me alone. But this was my shitty ass makeup tutorial. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the support, for those who do support me. And by the way, I'm gonna talk all the shit I want, and I'm gonna talk, you know what, I'm gonna just cut that out. Anyways, thank you for watching. Boo, what's up? What's up? I feel like I can go out. I feel like I can go out and steal your man looking like this. You bet. Oh my god, I forgot to do my lipstick, or to put my lipstick on. I'm tripping. What you mean by, bitch? What you mean? Oh, I'm using the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color, and I'm gonna apply that to my lips, obviously. Like, where else am I gonna apply that shit? I don't know what lips you. Never mind. Okay, yeah, you're gonna put it on my lips. Hit me up if you want to be my friend. I need more friends. I love the friends I have, but I only have 2, and they're always busy. And one is far away from me, so if you live in the LA area, well, if you live in LA, hit me up. And let's be friends, let's do some shit. Okay, now this was actually the done. Never mind. This is now the actual final look. Thank you for watching again. See y'all till whenever I see y'all, or when I get my ring light. And if not, then see y'all before I get my ring light. Peace.